Hello friends, follow this step. Go to your YouTube application, then click your channel icon, then click your channel, then go to video section. Then you can see the small three dot opposite of your videos. Click that, then save to playlist. If you don't have any playlist, you can touch new playlist. Then you can give any name. I will give some simple name, okay, anything, then create. Okay, now you can see the C list. Okay, you can see the now playlist there. Okay, you can see playlist here. You can see there is, I put the name and playlist there is here. Again you can go back, go to video section. Now you can add any video like this, three dot, save to playlist. Okay, and then give your playlist name. Example, I give tutorial, and this also, then done. Okay, again you can check their playlist. You see there is 2 videos, also there is 3 videos now. Thank you for watching. If any problem, you can comment down on below comment section. Okay, I will give answer. Thank you so much for watching. Stay with me.